Hello, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be discussing the methods you can use to form your LLC in Hawaii. We're going to be covering the steps which are going to be involved in starting your LLC, the forms that you're going to need, the naming requirements, and how to actually register your Hawaii LLC. I'm also going to be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, these are the 2 points you really don't want to miss. When it comes to Hawaii, people think of it as a tourist spot, but it's surprising over how 128,000 small businesses are operating there, and they are creating around 3,700 jobs today. The growing economy in the state attracts more businesses than it did in the earlier days. As it's a vacation place, the thriving businesses there are the vacation renting spaces, apparel, and tour guides. You can start your Hawaii LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we personally recommend ZenBusiness as one of the most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. So we're going to come on to a very common question, but a very important question. What exactly is a LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It's going to separate your personal assets from your business assets and give you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in Hawaii, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $50. Now, coming on to ZenBusiness, what are you getting? You're getting 3 plans. You're getting the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form an LLC. It's a very suitable plan for you if you want something budget-friendly, and it starts at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees, but that's a must with any package you go for. It's very cost-effective and offers all the essential services, like your registered agent and your operating agreement draft. The Pro Plan offers some essential additional services along with the main services which are being offered in the starter plan. Also, within the Pro Plan, it takes lesser time to form your LLC. What are you getting in this plan? You're getting an advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance services, and expedited filing process. Coming over to the Premium Plan, which is perhaps the most costliest plan by ZenBusiness. The premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was the starter and the pro plan. It offers a faster filing process, a business website, a domain, and your very own email address. In this video, we're going to be discussing option number 1 and number 2, but we're going to be placing emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure that you're doing your LLC work correctly. This is one of those things where you can't afford missing out of the key information or have any form of misunderstandings. ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming an LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation. It's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. All of these can be done super easily with ZenBusiness. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there, you can easily check them out. We're now going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're going to start off your LLC in Hawaii. Now, the first step to starting off your LLC in Hawaii is basically choosing your business name. It's pretty simple, right? So before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember. It should be available in the state and should follow all the LLC naming guidelines. Now, you can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. The specific requirements that you need to follow when you're going to name your company is that number 1, your business name should be available and no other business can have that name. It's very much unique to its owner. Number 2 is that LLC, a limited liability company, should be there as a suffix within the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business that is confusing or misleading. So terms like State Department, FBI, CIA, they cannot be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the Hawaiian state government are fulfilled. Now, if you do not wish to file your LLC, but you want to hold on to the name that you decided, then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. How do you keep the name? Well, all you have to do is file a name reservation application and pay $10 if you're sending it by mail and $7.50 if you're filing it online. Coming to the second and highly vital step to forming your LLC is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to be acting and working on your LLC's behalf. They're going to be receiving all the important paperwork and all official government correspondence within Hawaii. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of Hawaii or at least has a physical street address there. Their address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address within Hawaii. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services, such as ZenBusiness. Now, ZenBusiness provides a registered agent service as an add-on to your formation packet, but you can also get it as a standalone service. A key thing to know when you're getting a registered agent is the importance of having one and having a legit one. Because in case of any lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Now, basically what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. And when you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for cracks in your LLC. And this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing that they're going to do is check, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing your paperwork correctly? The third and another important step in forming your LLC is to file a certificate of formation. The Hawaii Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $50 to file your formation certificate in Hawaii. Now, whether you file it online or by mail, it's your choice. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, your registered agent's name, address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed or are you manager managed? So before you start hiring employees in Hawaii, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly so you can avoid any future issues. We personally suggest using ZenBusiness to file your certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without missing any details or having any confusions. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support where you can go, ask your questions, and they will respond to you. Now, the fourth step is filing the operating agreement. What's an operating agreement? Well, it's an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and operating procedures of your LLC. This document is pretty vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding their operating, their voting power, business resolutions, and a lot more. And it helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing your Hawaii LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your entire business operation. It's recommended that it should be done using a professional service such as ZenBusiness, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any details. They provide this service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN, which is also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number given by the IRS. It's to make it easier to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active businesses or any form of businesses for that matter. It's needed when your LLC starts to hire employees. Now, how do you get one? All you have to do is fill up a form, which can be done online or by mail, and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through ZenBusiness and they can help you out with the whole process. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. For now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do.
Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. ZenBusiness Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual worry-free compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with ZenBusiness.
Now that you've created your Hawaii LLC, there's still a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Hawaii business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance covering your employees. And you need to file the Hawaii annual report. I hope you enjoyed this detailed video on how to start off your LLC in Hawaii, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.